So I just got my new Bluetooth speaker and I wanted to do a quick little unboxing for anybody that might be interested to see just what you get when you buy the speaker. So this is the LG PK3 with Meridian technology. Linus Tech Tips did a great video touring the Meridian factory. So, you can search for that on YouTube if anybody's interested. Meridian basically makes like super high-end audio equipment. So they did some stuff on this LG product. So very nice presentation, right off. So we have some manuals, safety information that's not really important. And here we have the speaker. A lot of protection for it. Not gonna lie, you could probably drop this package and it would be all right. So it just came out like that. Now, how am I gonna get it out with one hand? Alright, I got it out. So we have this thing that I probably should have opened with both hands before I resumed the recording. So this should be the USB Type-C cable, I believe. Yep, there we go. Indeed it is. No aux cable though. I do believe this speaker has a 3.5mm audio jack. So let's just get it out of the plastic wrap. And yeah, very heavy actually. A lot heavier than my last Bluetooth speaker, and it's actually a little bit smaller, but it definitely feels like a very premium speaker. So very nice. Let's open up the back. Oh man, I just cut my nails today. This is just not happening. I actually needed a fork to get this open because it's a very tight seal because of the water resistance on the speaker. But as you can see, we got our direct current in, USB Type-C, a reset switch, and there we go. We have the 3.5mm audio jack. And, that's that. I'm not going to do an audio test because it's pretty meaningless, just on my cell phone and stuff. But, as far as things go, this is one of the more premium options for a Bluetooth speaker. And I got it for a great price. So, yeah, I just want to do a quick video for anybody that might be interested. What you're getting, like just a very real unboxing. And, that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.